Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to set up call forwarding on iPhone. So setting up call forwarding on an iPhone is a straightforward process. So here is how you can do it. Firstly, unlock your iPhone and tap on the settings app on your home screen. After that, in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on the phone option available in there. So under the phone settings, tap on the call forwarding option. If you don't see this option, it may be because your carrier does not support call forwarding or your SIM card is not inserted properly. So, toggle the switch next to the call forwarding to turn it on. After you enable the call forwarding, you can see you'll be prompted to enter the number where you want your calls to be forwarded. Enter the phone numbers in the provided field, including the country code if necessary. After entering the forwarded number, tap back or save to confirm and save the settings. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.